This is the Rainbow Row in Charleston, South Carolina. These are gas-powered lights. Those are tall guys down there. I'm going to go back from the other end and walk down. The architecture in Charleston is just spectacular. These homes, they've been around for years. Most of them were built with bricks made by slave labor. These are some more of the gas-powered lanterns. It's just beautiful. This, of course, is called Rainbow Row. The reason is obvious, as you will see as I go back. I'll go back again and show you the beautiful colors, the pastel colors. Green, gray, purple. Really nice colors. I'm going to go across the street. Maybe I can get a fuller view of this Rainbow Row. Kind of reminds me of the Copenhagen equivalent by the dock, where they take beautiful Instagram pictures. It's just beautiful surroundings, beautiful architecture. I love these gas-powered lamps. And again, across the street is the Rainbow Row. Of course, there goes again the tall group. People live in these homes. There are hundreds and hundreds of people come here every year to see the homes, but they're still inhabited. And people are reminded to respect their privacy. And some folks are having a photo shoot over there. I can see why this area would be good for photo shoot. It's beautiful. It's just a really beautiful area. And there's the water down there on the other side, all around it. There's the water. So that's the video for the Rainbow Row. I think I'll walk further down a little bit more so that you see the whole area. It goes all the way down. Goes all the way down to the water. Just imagine how much these homes must cost. Probably in the millions of dollars. And of course there's a playground across there. Well, you get an idea of how the Rainbow Row looks like. You can come visit. It's just a street. You don't pay anything to be able to walk the street and see the homes, the beautiful homes. It's free. One of the free attractions. Come visit Charleston, South Carolina, and come see the Rainbow Row. Please again, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and you can leave a comment if you know this area, and you can tell us some more about Rainbow Row. Over and out.